Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to do a DIY coffee scrub for smooth and bright skin. Coffee scrub exfoliates skin, removes wrinkle and dark spots, brightens and smoothens skin, provide proper nourishment to your skin with this coffee scrub. The ingredients that we will need are very simple. 2 tablespoons coffee grounds, 3 tablespoons coconut oil or olive oil, 1 tablespoon brown sugar or white sugar. Let's move on to the instructions on how to do this amazing scrub. Take a bowl and combine sugar and coffee grounds. Add coconut oil or olive oil and mix it properly. Store in an airtight jar for future use. You can adjust the ratio according to your needs. This scrub is very easy to apply. Wet your skin with hot water before applying the coffee scrub because hot water makes the skin susceptible for proper exfoliation as it opens up the skin pores and helps to absorb nutrition from coffee. And then turn off the shower or jump out of the bath. Gently massage the mixture into your body in a circular motion. Spend more time on stretch mark or cellulite areas. Use a pressure that feels firm but not too hard as you don't want to irritate the skin. Once it's been applied all over, let it dry on your skin for 5 to 10 minutes to absorb and rinse it off in the shower. If you have oily skin, you might want to wash using your usual soap body wash. Otherwise, if you just rinse it off, you will be left with a bit of oil residue that will not do your skin any harm. After you shower, pat your skin and apply moisturizer. Experts say that you should only exfoliate your skin up to 3 times a week for the desired results. Hope you enjoyed the video and thank you so much for watching.